Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing no oil pancakes. This is a highly requested video, so hope you enjoy. We're gonna start by preheating our 10-inch gourmet on medium heat for 5 minutes and pouring our pancake batter. We're gonna keep this on medium heat with the lid on. And we're gonna cook each side for approximately 1 minute and 15 seconds. Now we're ready to flip. And that's our first pancake done. Look at that. So now it's time to just repeat the process. Our Saladmaster turner makes flipping so easy. Look at that. For the pancake recipe, please check the description below, or you can just use pancake mix. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more cooking videos. And now it's time for us to add our toppings. So we're gonna start by drizzling some golden syrup on top. We've also got some blueberries and some strawberries as well, but of course you can add whatever toppings you want. And now you're ready to serve. Look at that, doesn't that look so good?